Hi, I'm Angel. Honestly, I forgot I had to do this assignment, so let's see what I can come up with.
So, what is acid rain, anyways? Well, acid rain is when clean water comes in contact with pollutant in the air, like sulfurs and carbons.
The definition of acid rain is when normal rain has a lower pH than average, making it acidic.
Acid rain causes your typical erosion, like most rain would, on top of the fact that it can damage plants, buildings, animals, the soil, and stuff like that due to the high acidity of it.
Besides hurting the environment, acid rain can also weather down buildings and cause weaknesses in our infrastructure. Two places that these air pollutants come from are by the burning of fossil fuels and vehicle emissions. Acid rain is most prevalent in the northeastern area of the United States. Some of the causes for that is the high concentration of coal-fired power plants, prevailing wind patterns that bring pollutants from the Midwest to the northwest or northeastern side, the topography like mountains, and the lack of natural buffers found in the world. Places like Vermont and New Hampshire, despite the fact that they have low levels of sulfur emissions, they still get acidic rain. So why might that be? Well, that would be because of the changing winds, the lack of natural barriers in their area, and typically slightly more acidic soil so that their soil isn't able to soak up as much acidity as normal. So, how can we reduce the acidity of acid rain? Well, we can reduce sulfur dioxides and nitrogen oxides in our area, meaning using less coal-fired power plants and less vehicle emissions. We can start by adding lime to acidic soils and lakes to make them more alkaline, and we can increase energy efficiency. Until we can neutralize acid rain, what can we do to help protect our environment? Well, we can start by restoring affected ecosystems. This can be things like adding lime into the acidic soils and lakes and reforesting damaged areas. We can also use acid-resistant materials when building our infrastructure. And finally, we can just monitor and set regulations for our burning and our carbon emissions from our vehicles.